everyone and welcome to another video of the world of programming. Well, in this series, we discuss some quick tricks with programming using day-to-day life examples so that it brings about a better understanding of some of the commonly known programming concepts. In today's video, we are going to discuss the two famous loops, that is the for loop and the while loop. Now we all know that a loop means a group of statements which will be executed repeatedly. And the two main loops which we have in programming are the for loop and the while loop. But most of the times, certain students have a confusion as to which loop to use when. Well, it's very simple and the answer lies in some examples that we find at our home. As you can see, I have compared a for loop with a washing machine and a while loop with a fan. Let's see how. In case of the washing machine, whenever we start it, we set it to a preset timer. Let's say 40 minutes, 20 minutes. So the timer starts at that value, and then as each minute passes, you will see that the timer value keeps reducing until it reaches 0 when the machine will stop. So it has a definite start, it has a definite end, and with each passing minute, the timer moves towards the stopping condition. During this while, the washing machine keeps repeating its actions in a loop. Wash, rinse, dry. So here we see that a washing machine quite exhibits the implementation of a for loop where we have a counter that keeps track of when the loop should start, when should it end, and after every repetition, how would the counter value be changed. So we use a for loop when we are sure of the start, the end, and the progress of the counter. On the other hand, if you see a fan, the fan remains on till the time you don't turn it off. So when we are in a room, till the time we are feeling warm or till the time we are there in the room, which could be for 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, the fan is going to keep going. So here we cannot limit the number of rotations of a fan to a fixed value. We cannot make it stop, let's say after 100 rotations. That is why the functioning of a fan is based on a condition. Till the time it's not turned off, keep repeating. And that is what a while loop is all about. So when you want to repeat a set of instructions, but you don't have a definite end value, but you have an end condition, when that condition will be reached, you have to stop the loop. That is when we use a while loop. And that is the reason we call the while loop as condition based. So hope you all found this video useful. I have tried to explain the two popular loops using very simple examples. We would like it if you can drop in your suggestions or any topic which you would like us to cover in our future videos. Thank you.